Carfax One owner. Xtrim. Fuel efficient 24 mpg highway, 21 mpg city. Premium sound system, iPod MP3 input, 4-wheel drive, moonroof, aluminum wheels. 5-star driver front crash rating. Read more. Key features: premium sound system, iPod MP3 input, sunroof, 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, privacy glass, bucket seats. Experts report, Automobile Magazine All-Star. New Car Test Drive.com explains inside, the Honda Element is all about space. We're maximizing usable space in a vehicle with a relatively small footprint. Its interior is designed to handle all combinations of people and stuff, from 4 full-grown adults to 2 adults and mountain bikes or a couple of longboards. 5-star driver front crash rating. 5-star driver side crash rating. Great gas mileage, 24 mpg highway approx.